Okay, now we'll continue with our lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Bhabar is understood what is Bhabar. Now
Yes,
next year what we have read about a new word.
Terai.
Tarai. What is it?
There
Yes,
The
Tarai.
the streams and rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy, and marshy region known as Terai.
Yes, good. South of belt of Bhabar, the rivers re-emerge. वापस से emerge होती है, which create a wet, swampy, marshy region that is known as Tarai. Clear? Then next we have read about Bhangar.
Bhangar.
Bhangar. Then that is they lie above
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
this
the
the.
lies
largest
above
part
the
of the
foot.
northern plain is formed of older aluminium. They lie about the flood plain of the river and present a terrace-like feature. This is
Yes,
known as Bhan.
yes. The floodplain means when the river uh, flows. जो साइड में जो एरिया होता है रिवर्स के साइड में दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लड प्लेन हेलो व्हाट हैपेंड now next we have also read about kankar and khadar kankar is calcareous deposit clear
Yes,
and
ma'am.
khadar is younger deposit of the floodplain clear now the peninsular plateau we have read how many what first tell me let me know what do you mean by the peninsular plateau.
Peninsula
Ma'am, the Peninsula Plateau is a tableland composed
Table
of
and
the old
composed of old crystalline,
and
igneous, and
metamorphic rock.
metamorphic rock.
Yes. So that is peninsular plateau. Plateau means area a little bit higher level from the ground. Clear? Then it is divided into two broad categories. Central
Ma'am,
Highlands and
Deccan Plateau and
Central
Central Highlands.
Highlands and Deccan
yes,
Plateaus.
Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Then next we also had read about what? Western
And
Ghats
the
and Eastern Ghats.
Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats.
What is this?
Ma'am,
What is the location? Yes. Location of Western and
ma'am,
Eastern
in
Ghats.
this
Ma'am, the western and the eastern edges of Deccan Plateau.
Yes, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats are at the edges of the western and eastern edges of the Deccan Plateau. Yes, Almas, you want to speak anything?
Ma'am, can you please explain one again the meaning of crystalline rock?
Okay, crystalline means smooth, fine grained. Smooth, fine grained.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am, the Western
in a
Ghats are
in a
higher.
crystal form. In a crystal form में होता है ना smooth, fine grained crystal के रूप में clear. That is crystalline,
Yes, ma'am.
igneous and mortar. Next, Western and Eastern Ghats we have read about the difference, mean difference also we have read about what all types of means that their location, the types of what
Ma'am, valley.
peaks, valleys and the mountains and the particular important famous
Yes,
places also. Then to Indian desert also we have read about Indian desert.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Indian desert,
Yes, ma'am.
the
Ma'am,
location.
Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills.
Yes, western margin towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills, and the main large. Now, from
Ma'am, this region,
wait. Let me ask from the boys now. Boys are present in my class. Hello, are
Yes,
boys
ma'am.
Yes,
there? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. Now, boys will answer which is the only river which is found in our Indian desert.
Luni Nadi, ma'am. Luni
Luni,
River.
Luni River. Good. So, uh, Indian desert we have also understood about. Now about peninsula coastal plains. First, let me know about Barchans. What are Barchans? What are
ma'am,
Barchans? Yes, boys among boys. Anybody? Hello. Parikshit. Yes. What are Barchans? And mostly where you find this? Vishal, Vansh, anybody?
Ma'am,
Yes.
crescent shaped dunes.
Very good. Crescent shaped dunes are called as Barchans and they are
Ma'am.
mostly found in
Indian
Near Indo-Pakistan
Ma'am,
boundary.
just
Near the Indo-Pakistan boundary, and if you visit Jaisalmer also, you will find this group of Barchans. Clear? Then about coastal plains. About coastal plains, what they are three sections. It consists of three sections. First is
northern part of
yes, northern part of the coast is called northern part of the coast is called as what? Yes, now girl.
Konkana.
Now girls can also answer. Okay, Konkan. And
Konkan.
which part is called as Konkan?
Mumbai,
Mumbai to Goa.
Mumbai to Goa means Mumbai and Goa. The part between Mumbai and Goa is called as Konkan. Then next, which plain?
Ma'am, Kannada
Kannada plain is there, and then
central stretch is called the Kannada.
uh,
Then Malabar coast.
and then Malabar coast is there.
Malabar coast.
Okay, fine. So this much you have understood. Then next year we have also understand about the northern Sirkar. What are northern Sirkar? In the north part, the northern
Ma'am, the
part.
plains along the Bay of Bengal are wide and level. In the northern part, it is referred to the northern sea.
Very good. The plains along the Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal के जो side में जो plains हैं, in the northern part it is referred to as northern Sirkar, while the southern part is known as Coromandel coast. And the
Coromandel
large,
coast.
yes, large rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna and Kaveri have formed extensive delta on this coast. Delta,
Ma'am, Lake Chilka
Lake
is an
Chilka
important
is
feature
important feature
along the
along the
eastern
eastern
coast.
very good. Lake Chilika is important feature. Now, what is delta? You know, delta क्या होता है?
Where rivers meet.
Ma'am, where rivers meet.
हाँ. Now we can मैं properly बताऊं आपको. What is delta? It is a triangular shaped alluvium landmass. क्या है ये delta?
Triangular shaped
alluvium.
alluvium.
Landmass हाँ, एक तरीके का landmass है. Formed by the river के द्वारा बनाया गया है. River जब flow करती है, at its mouth मीन्स जहां से रिवर फ्लो होना स्टार्ट करती है, वहां पर ये एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप एल्यूवियम लैंडमास फॉर्म हो जाता है बाय द फ्लोइंग ऑफ द रिवर. ठीक है ना? एट इट माउथ मीन्स जहां से वो रिवर फ्लो करना
जहाँ
शुरू
से
करती
river
है.
starts to
हाँ,
flow.
बिगिनिंग. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज delta, and it is formed by network of distributaries. Distributed network means बहुत सारी distributaries जो flow करती है river के, वहां से फिर वो delta बनता है. That means the main river is, wait a second, yeah, oh sorry, yes, the main river is flowing from here, and after the flowing of the river started from here, then it means it divides into different branches. और जब ये different branches में divide हो जाती है, the triangular shape what is formed here, it is called delta. Clear? Distributaries
Yes, ma'am.
main river जब distribute होती है different छोटी छोटी streams में, तो वो distributaries कहलाती है. अब वो distributaries triangular shape यहाँ पर एक जगह जा करके वो सारी distributaries fall होने लगती है एक जगह पर, then that is forms the delta. Clear? इकट्ठा होने लगती है
ma'am.
एक साथ. Fine. So now Lake Chilika is the largest saltwater lake. Next we come to the islands now. Our new
Ma'am, we have
topic.
to start today.
Our new topic today, islands. Now you have already seen that India has a vast mainland. बहुत बड़ा mainland है India का. Then beside this, the country has also two groups of island. How many groups of island is there? Two
Two
groups.
groups of
Two groups.
Two groups of island. You can underline this. Now, can you identify these island groups? These island groups? Lakshadweep and
Lakshadweep and Malabar.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Malabar
Western Kerala.
ठीक है ना. Locate the Lakshadweep island group lying close to Malabar coast of Kerala.
Coast of Kerala.
ये so Lakshadweep first island group is Lakshadweep island. The location is where it is located, close to Malabar coast of
Close to Malabar coast of Kerala.
Kerala. This much. ठीक है. Now this group of islands is composed of small coral islands. Now this group of islands, that is Lakshadweep island, is composed of small corals. Small corals. Well, what are small coral? Small coral islands.
Ma'am,
Dead sea plants or animals.
Tropical islands built of organic material. Yes, आप बता रहे हैं, वो बिल्कुल क्लियर बता रहे हैं, सही बता रहे हैं. These are the tropical islands. Small coral islands are the. Now we are talking about coral islands. That means they are the small tropical island built of organic material. They are built of organic material, and this organic material is derived from what? Derived from skeletons of corals. Derived from skeletons of corals. So ये जो आइलैंड बने हुए होते हैं, ये किससे बने हुए होते हैं? ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल से. और वो ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल किसका होता है? कॉरल्स का. Now what is coral? You will understand clearly in the next page. Clear? This much clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
yes, ma'am.
earlier they were known as Lakshadweep. So earlier name of Lakshadweep island was what?
Minicoy and
Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindev. So अब इन सबको एक साथ together now they are called as Lakshadweep Islands. Group of Lakshadweep Islands. Previously, earlier it was known as Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindev. Clear this much? Now in 1973, these were named as Lakshadweep. These were named as Lakshadweep. In which year? 1973. Now it covers small area of 32 square kilometer. Kavaratti Island is the administrative headquarter. Now which is the administrative headquarter of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti Island.
Kavaratti Island.
Ha, is the administrative. Now you can underline all these. These are the important 1 mark points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kavaratti Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. Now this island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. Great diversity means great variety, great variety of plant life and as well as animal life. So this island is having great variety. Lakshadweep is having variety of plant as well as animal life. Now the Petty Island. We have read about Kavaratti Island, which is the administrative headquarter. Now Petty Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary.
Bird sanctuary.
So which island has a bird sanctuary and is still uninhabited?
Island.
Petty Island. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं रहता है अभी. No population is uninhabited, but bird sanctuary is there. Clear? And Kavaratti is also there. Kavaratti Island is there, which is the main administrative headquarter.
Ma'am.
सारा government official work Kavaratti Island से yes carry forward होता है. What happened?
Ma'am, where is Kavaratti Island located?
Now proper location we have to find out from the map, but it is there near, means coming in the Lakshadweep Islands, group of Lakshadweep Islands only.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Now corals. What you have already just now read about corals. Coral polypus are the short-lived microscopic organisms. So what are coral? Coral are the coral polypus. They are short-lived microscopic organism which live in colonies. This is the proper definition of corals, which live in colonies from here. Now they flourish in shallow, mud-free and warm waters. Now they secrete calcium carbonate. वो क्या निकालते हैं? Calcium carbonate. ठीक है ना? उनसे हमें calcium carbonate मिलता है. The coral secretion and their skeletons form coral deposition in the form of reefs. Now the whatever secreted means the waste. Secretion means the waste or the discharge of the coral polypus. So it this plus the skeletons, they form the coral deposits in the form of reefs. Clear? And reefs, what are reefs? They are mainly of the three kinds: barrier reef, fringing reef, and atolls. So these are the three types of reefs. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia means इस टाइप का वो एक तरीके से फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है, रिलीफ फीचर फॉर्म हो जाता है कोरल पॉलिपस के स्केलेटन से, एज वेल एज फॉर द सीक्रेशन, दैट मीन्स डिस्चार्ज ऑफ वेस्ट से. Clear? Of the coral polypus.
Yes,
Now-
ma'am.
Now, Great Barrier Reefs of Australia is good example of this. Coral reefs. Then atolls are circular of the horseshoe-shaped coral reefs. These are the different names of the coral reefs. Now you can see the elongated chain of islands located in the Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. Now a long chain, elongated means a long chain of islands which is located in the Bay of Bengal and extending from north to south. These are Andaman and Nicobar. Now these are the second group of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. ये ज्यादा बड़े में साइज में और ज्यादा तक scattered हुए हैं, फैले हुए हैं. Clear? The entire group of island is divided into two broad categories. Now the entire Andaman and Nicobar Island is divided into two broad categories, that is Andaman
Andaman
north
in the north, Nicobar in the
The
south.
Nicobar Isle.
in the south. Clear? So two broad categories are there of this
Ma'am.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andaman in the north, Nicobar in the south.
Nicobar.
Now it is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountain. Elevated portion. Elevated means a raised portion. It is believed that islands are an elevated portion, raised portion of submarine mountains. Submarine mountains means जो mountains water में merge हो गई है, under sea जो mountains हैं, they are little bit what raised, elevated portion, और इसीलिए ये island form हो जाते हैं. Clear? Now these island groups are great strategic importance for the country. These island groups are very much necessary for the or important for the country. Now there are great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of island too. Like Lakshadweep, this island, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island is also having many types of plant life and animal life present there. Now these islands lie close to the equator, where these islands lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and thick forest cover, as they lie near the equator, and that is why they experience equatorial climate. Equator के पास है तो मतलब थोड़ा सा क्या है, hot climate होगा,
Hot climate.
थोड़ा सा, हाँ, थोड़ा सा hotness, and then thick forest cover is also there. Now, do you know,
Yes,
underline
ma'am.
this also, India's only active volcano is found in Barren Islands in Andaman Nicobar group of islands. So, where is only active volcano found in India?
Barren
Ma'am,
Island.
Barren Island in
Island.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Barren
group of
Island.
Yes, Barren Islands in Andaman and Nicobar. Now, the detailed account of a detailed account of different physiographic units. Physiographic means landforms. A detailed account of different landform units highlights the unique feature of each region. Now, so many physiographic division we have seen. First, we have seen what? Himalayan Rock Mountains. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Second, after Himalayan mountains.
Ma'am, the northern.
Very good.
Philippines,
Yes,
The
second we
northern
have seen the northern plains. Then third,
Yes, ma'am.
Peninsular
The
Plateau,
peninsular.
peninsular plateau. Fourth,
Great Indian Desert,
Great.
Great Indian Desert. Fifth,
Coastal
The
plain.
coastal plain.
sixth.
Island,
Highland.
Yeah. So 6 types of physiographic divisions you already know about now. Clear? Now, if it would however be clear that each region complements the other and makes the country richer in natural resources, that means each of these physiographic division adds a lot to our country and makes it richer in the natural resources. Sab kuch, mountains are also there, islands are also there, coast is also there, desert is also there. So all this physiographic division adds a lot in enhancing the resources of India, and thus India is rich in natural resources. Clear? The mountains are the major source. अभी कैसे है? कैसे importance है? Now you can underline this paragraph also. The importance of each physiographic division you have read now. The mountains, that is Himalayan mountains, are the major source of water and forest. Then northern plains are granaries of the country. Clear, agricultural land is there. Then they provide the base for the early civilization also. Then plateau is the storehouse of minerals and which played a crucial role in the industrialization of country. And the coastal regions and island groups provide site for fishing and port activities. So all these physical divisions are included, which helps or adds
Yes,
a lot for the natural resources. Thus, the diverse physical features of land have immense features possibility of development. Clear?
Development.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I hope now it is clear everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
4 minutes are only left. Question answers I'm going to share it to you on the not, if not today, then tomorrow or day Monday तक मैं send कर दूंगी. अभी मेरे को बनाना
Okay,
पड़ेगा
ma'am.
notes and all. ठीक है ना? So now choose the correct आप अभी mark कर सकते हैं. The landmass in the book itself you can mark the choose the correct and all. The landmass
Okay,
bounded by
ma'am.
the sea on the three side is referred to as what? Fast.
Ma'am,
Peninsula.
Peninsula. Very good. Peninsula. ठीक है? Peninsula आएगा. Sea. Then mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as.
Purvanchal.
Yes, you are also C. Purvanchal. Next, the western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as.
Ma'am,
Coromandel.
Konkan. Coromandel.
Kannad.
Kannad.
This you can check again from the lesson. Okay. Just now I am giving you the Kannad. You can check again. I hope it is Kannad only.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Kannad only. Then next is the highest peak in Eastern Ghat is.
Time would.
Again C. Mahendragiri. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
this you have marked already. Now what are tectonic plates and all? If means PDF, in the PDF I'm going to surely give you, and you have to complete all the question answers only related to the textbook. You have to complete in the notebook. If not just now, after the exams you can complete. Clear?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, in your book, the second question is
Which continents of
अलग है।
which continents? हाँ, ये मैंने बताया ना आपको, ये पुरानी बुक है, पुराना एडिशन है. नई बुक में ये गोंडवाना लैंड के बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाँ, गोंडवाना लैंड के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं है. तो we will see. Okay, you just had given me the knowledge about it. And another thing I want to clarify, means I want to ask that on 30th, is there any test, revision test on 30th? I am thinking.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I am thinking of taking a revision test of periodic test 1. Whatever lessons are included there,
Yes, ma'am.
periodic test 1 on Google Form link. Google Form link पे
Okay, ma'am.
ओवरऑल टेस्ट मैं ले लेती हूँ, ठीक है ना, 30th को.
Okay, ma'am.
From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock after the classes.
Okay,
After
ma'am.
the classes, ठीक है ना, आप after the
Okay,
classes
ma'am.
आप आराम से कर लेंगे. Plus Monday our class is not there. Tuesday one has asked me for the civics revision. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So a type of civics revision work we are going to do it on Tuesday. So you be prepared with the civics lesson number 1.
1.
Civics lesson 1 आप पढ़ के आइए और अपन just revision work we will discuss. First I am going to give you
Okay, ma'am.
questions and we will discuss the questions. Civics
Okay,
lesson
ma'am.
number 1 or for Tuesday. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now that's all for today. I hope everything is clear now. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.